Have you ever wondered what the point to life is? It's an illusion, a vagary of perception. Temporary constructs of a feeble human intellect trying desperately to justify an existence that is without meaning or purpose. And all of it designed by those in charge of our lives. From when we're little babies, right up to puberty. Adults, publishers, writers, they don't want children thinking for themselves. They see children as a threat. It's like the adults support these children's writers to write these pointless stories of fantasy so that children have this cutesy warped up idea of what life is about. But now we're teenagers. That used to mean something. Apart from the punks, what have teenagers ever achieved in the last 30 years? Nothing. If there's any way we can make a difference, we need to share our ideas in one group and come to a decision. That's what I'm doing in this chat room. I'm not here for some pointless getting to know you session where we find out how pathetic each of our lives are. I want to lead a revolution. But I can't do it on my own.